let me put it this way. Your next 30 minutes here or your next hour here will probably, if nothing else, give you at least one insight to make you more saleable. At least one. I will promise you that. This is what we'll cover. Pagbigyan nyo na ho ako, kailangan ng intro to Nestle. Konti lang. Okay? Kasi kami naman yung, presenter nyo sa January. Pagbigyan nyo na ako para hindi ako mapagalitan, di ba? Konti lang. Some of you may or may not know stuff about Nestle. We'll do a bit of intro in that. I wanted to also cover employers' expectations. What is it that we look for? You know, I'm an employer. Okay? I'm your make or break. I'm the recruitment head. If you pass me, you're pretty much 50% through. Okay. Nestle worldwide at a glance. I hope you don't mind. We are 100. CHF is Swiss francs. Nestle is a Swiss company. Okay. We are based in Vevey in Switzerland. 108 billion Swiss francs in sales is roughly about 100 billion US dollars. Let me say that again. 100 billion US dollars. We have 28 billionaire brands. What are billionaire brands? For those who might have taken up some marketing classes, anybody? At least some exposure, yes. Billionaire brands are brands that have reached $1 billion in sales and who sustain that over a certain period of time. In 1998, we became a wholly owned subsidiary of Nestle. So 100% owned na kami by the mother company. 2007, we launched our business services. It's in Maykawayan, Bulacan. Then 2009, we opened Pulilan Factory. 2 years from now, I'm going to put another picture there. 2012 is the opening of the Tanawan Factory in Batangas, in the Philippines. The social skills, hindi yung social. Iba yung, hi! Hindi ganon. Baka kasi yun ang iniisip nyo. Social skills simply means, do you know how to build relationships? Do people feel comfortable around you? Do you know how to work well in teams? Bakit? Wala akong trabahong solo ka. In this day and age, hindi usong solo ka. A lot of leadership skills. How many of you are active in orgs? And I'm not saying active member. Saying member. Hindi ho member. Saying active, as in you take on a leadership function. You're either VP, secretary, committee head, etc. Yes. Up. Yan. Sino ang juniors na active sa org? Taas ang kamay. Magkakakarir kayo. Yan ang mga batang pinag-aagawan naming tatlo. Nung seryoso, kayo ang hinahanap. You're an Atenean. Honestly, we expect more from you. Must-dos for any resume. I'm not going to tell you how the format's supposed to look because they've already shown you. The Ateneo format works wonders. These are some of the things you need to do. Check the content. Okay, next. Spell, pakilabas po lahat na. Isa pa. Okay, next first. Check the content. Tama ba ang laman? How many pages should your resume be? Sige, okay. 1. Pwedeng umabot ng 2 kung active ka naman, presidente ka naman ng org, nanalo ka ng awards, pwede yun. Anything longer than 2 pages, hindi na ako maniniwala. Ibig sabihin, malaki ang font mo at wala kang ginawa. Spell check. Okay? Huwag gamitin ang spell check function ng computer ninyo. Makinig. Huwag gamitin. Bakit? Did you realize that the most common words in your online dictionary, okay, are the ones that are often left out by your spell check? Hindi niya alam yan, ano? Akala niya, naka-spell check na ako, okay na yun. Hindi po. Okay? Sorry, one time what I do is scratch paper, I print out my resume, I will read it, iniisa-isa ko yan. Per line. Tinitignan ko, ano pa itsura nito pag printed? Maganda ka pa. Di yan joke ha? That's, to this day, I still do that. To this day. Okay? Spell check on your own. Don't think that just because you're an Atenean, you get an in. You don't. Not anymore. Sorry. Welcome to the world of the 2010s and 2011s. Noon, we were just talking, Florence and I were talking. Before, when you graduated in the 90s, swerte pa ako, I graduated, you automatically knew you were gonna have a job. Atinista ka eh. Alam mong may trabaho ka paglabas mo. Okay? Kami, basta makahanap ng trabaho, okay na yun. Diba? Your generation is very different. Your generation is, di ko alam kung anong gagawin ko pagkatapos kong graduate generation. That is the burden of your generation. My generation didn't have that. My generation was clear. You graduate, you get a job. Then you can do whatever you wanted with your life. Yours is very, very different. Your generation has so many options, you don't even know what you want to choose, what options you want to take. Tips on how to ace your interview. I like starting off with blunders. Magagalit na sila sa akin. 5 minutes, promise. 5 things that I say can break you in an interview. You come in not prepared. Meaning you haven't done your homework. You tell me the wrong thing. What's the worst thing you can tell me when I interview you? True story. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Sabi ng isang girl sa akin, sana hindi siya atinista, hindi ko na maalala. I'm so excited. Sabi ko, really, I've heard you speak, I've really always wanted to meet you. Ako naman, thanks. Diba? I'm proud mo na ako, thanks, nice, come this way. So I was walking here to my office. Walking to my office pa lang, she said, I really love Nestle. I'm such a user of your brands. It's like, really, what's your favorite? Small talk to, ha? I so love chocolate. Sabi ko, really? I'm sure San Miguel would like that. Because we don't own chocolate. I am Chucky, your chocolatey buddy. Thank you very much. Okay? So parang ako, sabi niya, oh my God, I'm so sorry. Ako naman, no, it's sure, no problem. Thought bubble. It's a big problem. You're never gonna make it here. Get? Hindi pa ho kami nakakaupo sa silya ko. Palakad pa lang kami. Okay. Unless ikaw ay COO. Alam nyo ang COO? Child of Owner. Yan. Pag si Papa at si Mama ang may-ari ng kumpanya, GM ka, day 1. Para kung hindi si Mama at si Papa ang may-ari, maghirap ka muna. Okay. Get an internship for the juniors. Get an internship. Land one in an industry that you really want to pursue after graduation. This is getting your feet wet. Do that now. Start applying now. And last but not the least, it's obviously embrace the unexpected. All right? With that, I think we'll have our open forum later on. So we'll leave you questions for that. All right? Thanks for listening, and I'll turn you over to the handsome gentleman who's sitting now.